In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Microsoft Word spell check. If you've ever found yourself needing to switch languages for a document, or perhaps you're writing in more than one language, you'll find this tutorial incredibly helpful. Let's dive right into it. To start, open up your web browser and head over to the free Microsoft 365 online page. This is where you can access Microsoft Word without needing to install any software on your computer. Once you're there, look for the sign in button. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. But assuming you have your login credentials ready, just go ahead and click sign in. After you've signed in, you'll be brought to the main Microsoft 365 hub. From here, you'll see various options for different applications like Excel, PowerPoint, and of course Word. Click on the Word app to begin. Opening Word will either take you to the start screen where you can choose a new document or open an existing one. Select whichever is appropriate for your needs. Now that you're working in a document, look at the top of the screen where you'll see various tabs like Home, Insert and Design. What you're going to click on is the Review tab. This tab holds all sorts of useful tools for checking and editing your text. Once in the Review section, locate the option that says Grammar. This tool isn't just for checking your sentences and punctuation, it also includes settings for language options. When you click on Grammar, you'll likely see a menu pop up with several options. What you want to do next is choose Show Suggestions. By selecting this, you can see a comprehensive list of grammatical and language suggestions specific to the context of your document. This is where you can make adjustments, ensuring your text is not only accurate in terms of spelling, but also consistent with the language rules you might be navigating. The entire process is designed to be intuitive, allowing users to seamlessly switch and adjust languages according to their document's needs. Remember, setting the correct language is crucial, especially if you're dealing with multilingual content or collaborating with people across different countries. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to change the language in Microsoft Word's spell check feature using the online version of Microsoft 365. It's a fantastic tool whether you're a student, a professional, or anyone involved in writing. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you found this helpful, be sure to stay tuned for more guides and tips on using Microsoft tools effectively.